Where's your hat? Go get it. Rena? Go get your hat. Put it on. You gonna put it on? You want help? Hey. Want help putting it on? Come over here.
Mud.
Mud. Leave it on. Leave it on. Keep the sun out of your eyes. Okay?
Smile.
Smile.
This one? Birdie. A birdie. That's a birdie.
Yeah, it's a birdie. Let's see.
What are you doing?
I look at the wall.
Oh, okay. What, honey?
Smile. Smile. I smile. I smile.
You smile? Show me smile.
I smile. Papa. Smile.
Did you do poopies?
No.
We're running away. That must mean yes, we did. You stink.
New shoes. With socks. I tie shoes.
Well, I have to put it on. You can tie your shoe. sneakers. I got her moccasins, and I got a pair of little white dress shoes, but one's a 6.5 and one's a 7.5. They were only $3 though, and I didn't notice that.
Mom,
Want me to tie it for you?
I got
and
What is this?
four.
You want a happy birthday cake?
Yeah, because it.
And you're gonna cut a happy birthday cake? Are you gonna sing happy birthday? How do you sing happy birthday?
Happy birthday to you like that.
Then do you sing happy birthday to Rena?
Happy birthday to you.
Shall we sing happy birthday to Rena? Say Papa start.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Brina. Happy birthday to you. Blow out the candles.
blow now. Blow.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Blow it.
Blow
Go
hard.
hard. Go.
Hey!
It's gonna breathe in. You know how to
Brina's birthday.
Rena's birthday.
How old are you, Bree? 2.
I'm gonna cut it.
We gotta get a knife and cut it. She said, yeah.
What is she doing?
You'll have to play it back and catch that one later.
Look at me.
But Tommy,
Yeah, not about the Tommy.
Yeah.
is he funny?
Yeah, Tommy, now funny.
Like here.
Yeah.
I cut it.
Mom, yep, you cut it.
You hold it. Be careful. It's very sharp.
Police arrested Calmera minutes later. When they searched his car, they found 7 notebooks filled with about 100 women's license plate numbers, names and addresses, and descriptions
Good girl.
of swimsuits and sunbather.
Yeah. Get the TV.
When Detective Hal McNeil called the women listed in the books, several confirmed his worst fears.
There we go. All done.
Yay! Brina's birthday cake.
Sounded like it.
You can't pass it by. God.
You can't help it
Mama
though.
laughed at me.
Good thing that we're still frosty.
Star. She wants a star. She doesn't care about the rest of the cake. She wants
I mean, I
that
could have
star.
saved all that trouble and just put a bunch of these on a plate. It's good.
Here. Here.
Star. Star. It's frosty.
And chickens and
Yeah, no, they're edible. No, they're poisonous.
We got
Huh? You want another one?
a bee.
You want the bees?
We eat it.
What?
Don't let her eat the letters. They're too crunchy.
The sugar, they know.
I know.
That's
You swallow
Bite
it.
it, little bite. Eat some cake first. Save the bee. We'll save the bee.
Save the letters for later, okay?
We'll eat the letters later.
Are you
Make
okay?
it choke.
Yeah.
Let's get.
No one choke. Not on a birthday, no.
Want some ice cream with that?
Yep. I want some.
That?
There's your,
No, you will have the stars later.
I'll save the star.
A bee? I want bee. A bee? I want bee
I'm
too.
gonna eat
Yeah,
your
you
cake.
can look at it, don't eat it, just leave it on your plate, okay?
It's a bee. It's a bee.
Yep, it's a bee.
When you go eat,
Gonna eat later, eat it later. Eat the cake.
a two.
Yeah,
That.
because you gotta chew it up good before you swallow it.
Because it. Right there.
She had to get half moon cake. Right.
Okay, pop.
Well, I forgot. Now I know what you have it. Is that ice cream?
No.
You bet.
Maybe it's on the computer on it.
What is this?
Oh, that's just my compensation for
Compensation.
Yeah, I left hers at Heel.
Oops.
What was it?
It's a pull train. Little wood pull train. Got all little cars connected, going around and it's got a phone.
Why didn't you want to tell anybody what it was?
Because it's his birthday. Somebody might make a mistake and tell her. Oh,
Rena.
Sam.
Present.
Presents.
Present.
How's the cake?
Dinner.
What's cool?
Go down.
Spoon. Spoon.
A teaspoon.
Do you want coffee, Fran?
Mhm.
Was that a mm-hmm?
Was that
Mhm.
was that a yes grunt or a no grunt?
I did.
Me.
Here. Found it.
I did. I made. I got two
Yours are-
pins the same size.
Yours are usually like that.
No, mine are usually like this.
Yeah, right.
You open it.
Yep. Yeah, you gotta go in one piece.
It's on autofocus.
Paddington's birthday tree. Oh, pops up. No pull. No pull.
What's that?
Paddington Beach.
Go to the beach.
None pop up in there in the water. Oh. There he's looking. And he goes
Goes
in the water and he brings his umbrella with him
What's gonna
so he
happen?
doesn't get wet. The paper right up. What's that?
Yeah.
What is that?
That's a popper.
It's a popper.
No, look. What's that? Who has? What do you do?
Did you go?
Yeah, you do golfing.
The girlfriend?
Do golfing.
Brina golf clubs?
What's that one?
That's a driver. You hit a ball. Like Papa. Boop. Boop.
Like that. Like that.
Like that. See the ball? Brina golf
Yeah.
balls.
Read a golf balls.
Go down and put the ball.
You want to get down and put the ball? Okay. Here, I hold it. We'll let you down. She wants to take her racket.
Hit it towards Tommy. To hold two hands. Oh, she's gonna play polo. You have to buy her.
Oh, good one. Good one, Brina.
And this one? No, hold this one. I'll bring the rest of them back here. Okay, let's put this right here. Put these right here. You want to open another present?
Yeah. And then
Sit down.
that
I guess.
one. This one.
Which one? Okay, you do it. Turn it upside down. Turn it upside down, and then you rip the paper. Rip the paper out. Now you can see your face.
And no. See any books here?
Don't see any books in there.
Putters?
Don't see putters. No putters. What is this?
No putters.
Turn it over.
Big bird.
Who's that?
It's funny.
Cookie Monster.
What's that one on there?
He's having popcorn. Puzzle.
Can I open that?
Mama has to cut it open. We'll cut it open in a little bit. Want to do?
Can I open that?
Here. Pull it right there.
It's natural. It's in
What's
their
in there?
genes.
We'll open it.
Help. You pull. See it? Pull it out. What's in there?
Babes? It's babies.
What's that?
What's that?
Is that a dress for Brina?
Oh, how
Oh,
pretty.
so pretty.
Vanilla? Vanilla?
Okay.
Get ready to
This one? This one?
Okay, sit down. Where are you starting?
And the butters! What's in there?
No, let's pull the paper off. Pull it off top.
Butters.
No, not putters. Uh-oh, somebody got you noisy one. It's for doing Bayman.
Get it? Cut.
You hold the Baymer. Ooh, Brina's own. She knows what to do, I think.
Well, that was like $6 worth right there.
Put them the other way.
All right. Yeah. And go in the other part? You're kidding me. They won't go in the hole?
Come on.
Get 'em
You
in.
gotta bame them.
They don't fit, Mom.
Well,
But
Papa,
yet they're
Now try
supposed to be
that one.
pounded in.
They should at least set in the hole, though.
there she goes. Good girl.
Let me see. Can Mommy try for a minute?
It's for age.
That's
It's
what
that
that's
one.
for me.
It's not for 25-year-olds.
I don't know.
I don't know. Mom, hold it. You bame it. You pound. Hold it like this. See how Mom was holding it? You can hold it like that. Yeah, do it this way. Hold it from the side like this. See? Now bame it. Hard. Just whack. There we go.
Done.
In a minute. I'm trying to get him in the hole so she can pound them. Do it. Oops. Well, Mama, try the red one.
We're gonna send this videotape to, what is it, high school?
Done.
Yeah, you'll bame him. Let Mama try to put him in the holes first. Mama's not very good at this. That one? There's another one someplace. Look, there it is. Green one. Well, you have to put it over like Papa does. That was good, but you knocked it out. There you go. Now do hard. Whack it hard like Papa does. There you go. Where'd it go? There's the green one and this one. Come here.
Open a card.
Open the card on the top.
Okay, come on.
Here, hold on.
Is Elmer there? This print, tonight or the...
Gotta open it up.
Or,
It says,
oh,
have the nicest happy birthday ever.
okay, well, it's Brandon said
Judy
he's,
and Phil.
home about an hour, so I have to give you a
That's
call,
from
okay?
Judy and Phil. That's
Thank
Judy
you.
and Phil on the
Bye-bye.
front. See, there's Phil and Judy saying, happy birthday, Peter. Judy's become a bleach blonde. Okay,
Done.
just put it over here. Open it. Okay, now go. See. Take it out. See? Look, you gotta look through the holes on this side.
Don't
No,
pull
no,
it,
no.
don't pull it,
Stays
it's
like
right.
that. That's as open as it goes. You look through the holes. Look this way.
She doesn't understand how to do it.
See, look through the holes. Can you see Tommy over there? No? Look.
Let me see your glasses.
Show Papa how it's...
Let me see, put your glasses.
Put your new
Okay.
glasses. No, where's your new glasses? Oh, look at that. Green ticket. What's this on here? What's that? You know what that is?
Oh, open it.
What is that? that a camera like Mama's?
Yeah.
Yes.
Whole company, I break it up